Hey friends! Did you know there are veggies you can harvest in just 3 weeks? Yep, you could plant something today and be eating it before your next phone bill is due. Whether you're a gardening newbie or just want fast results, today's list will show you 10 of the quickest growing vegetables that go from seed to plate in under 1 month. No fancy tools, no giant backyard needed. Stick around, some of these might surprise you. Let's get into it. Number 1. Radishes. Radishes are the sprinters of the vegetable world. They grow super fast and don't need much space. You can literally grow them in a pot on your balcony. Tip: for milder flavor, grow them in cooler weather like spring or fall. Also, the leaves are edible too. Add them to soups or stir-fries. Number 2. Cress. Yep, under 2 weeks. Garden cress or pepper cress is ready almost before you know it. Perfect for windowsills or kitchen counters. Just sprinkle the seeds, mist with water, and boom, salad topping in a week. Great for kids or first-time growers. Number 3. Lettuce. Lettuce doesn't have to take months. Go for loose leaf varieties like Butter Crunch or Salad Bowl. Snip the leaves when young and they'll keep growing back. It's called cut and come again harvesting. Super satisfying. Number 4. Spinach. Spinach grows well in cooler tongue and partial shade. It's packed with iron and vitamins, and baby spinach is ready in just 3 to 4 weeks. Pro tip: don't wait too long. It can bolt, go to seed, if it gets too hot. Number 5. Arugula. If you like a peppery kick, arugula is your friend. Quick to germinate and grows fast. Also loves cool weather. Use it in sandwiches, wraps, or even homemade pizza. You can plant a new batch every week for a steady supply. Number 6. Mustard greens. Spicy, bold, and fast. Mustard greens bring flavor and texture to salads or sautés. Baby leaves can be picked in just 3 weeks. And bonus, they're tough. Great for early spring or late summer. Number 7. Green onions. You don't even need seeds. Just take the white roots of store-bought green onions, stick them in water or soil, and watch them regrow. Super beginner-friendly. You'll start snipping the tops in a couple weeks. Number 8. Pak choy or bok choy. This one's popular in Asian dishes. Grow it for baby greens in under a month. Tolerates heat better than lettuce and grows well in containers. Try stir-frying it with garlic. So good. Number 9. Turnip greens. Not growing for the root, just the leaves. Turnip greens are tender and flavorful, and baby greens are harvest ready in about 3 weeks. Tip: you might still get a root if you leave it in longer. Number 10. Match or corn salad. This one's lesser known but super tasty. Nutty, buttery flavor. Loves cooler tang and is great in salads. If you've never tried it, this is your sign. Here are a few quick tips to help you succeed. Use shallow containers. For greens, 4 to 6 inches of soil is enough. Water daily, especially if you're using containers, they dry out faster. Stagger your planting. Start new seeds every few days for non-stop harvests. Don't over-fertilize. These fast growers don't need much. Compost or worm castings work great. And remember, you don't need a garden to garden. Windowsills, balconies, even old buckets can grow food. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up so more people can discover it. Subscribe for more simple garden tips. No fluff, just fresh food. Got questions or want to share your gardening wins? Drop a comment. I love hearing from you. Happy planting and enjoy your harvest.